Okay guys, let's get started on the wig. So first off, I did take out the clips in the wig, and then I just cut off the back lace part, and just showing you what the hair looks like before I start the bleaching process. So I'm going to go ahead and spray down those baby hairs with water and just comb them back. That way I'm not going to get a bunch of bleach just, on those baby hairs. Okay, I'm just showing you. I'm using this kind of bleach. I don't know if it's good or not, but I wanted something to take that extra brass out on the bleaching process, and that's about it. I just had to go to the store real quick because I just ran out of my last bleach that I had. So I'm just taking one scoop. As you see in the video, I do not use all of it, and I'm just eyeballing the developer until you get to really, really good consistency paste. Oh my gosh, that's such a big word for me to say. You want to make sure this bowl you can turn upside down, just kind of like that yummy ice cream from Dairy Queen, and make sure it doesn't fall out. That's how you know you got a good paste. Now just apply this to your hairline and, sorry, not hairline, your lace. I'm not pressing down very hard. It might look like it in the video, but I'm really not. You'll see how good the knots were bleached with this process. I'm using a spoon. You also can use a knife. I was going to use a knife, but I just used the back of the spoon. I'm showing you the hair now. It is ready to wash out, so I'm just going to wash it out now. I try not to get the bleach on the hair. I'm just trying to show you. Just doing an up-close picture video of the lace bleached. That looks super, super good. But we are not done here, ladies. I am very chocolate, so we're going to have to tint this lace just a little bit more to my liking. Go ahead and purple shampoo this lace as you please. Next, you're going to get you a hot bowl of water. I just put it in the microwave for about 4 or 5 minutes, and it was pretty well boiling. Next, I'm going to take this Adore Mocha hair dye, and I'm going to shake it up. And then I'm going to put probably 1.5 spoons in the water and mix it up. Then you're going to place your lace in there for a few minutes. I did not place it in there for very long. I just didn't want it to be like over chocolate, but we let it sit for a few minutes, and then we just rinse out the hair and shampoo and condition like normal. This next process, I'm just kind of going to be quiet and just let the video speak for itself. See y'all. starting off with a bald cap. Yep, I did that. Now we're taking some skin protectant and going to rub that on there. I'm showing you the end of the comb that I'm using and the Bold Hold sweat proof one. Now I'm going to throw my wig on and just look at it and see what it looks like. Oh my god, why do my boobs look like they're the biggest thing in this video? Jesus. Okay, anyways, go ahead and mark your wig out wherever you want it to lay. That way you can place it in the direct spot. And flip that wig up and start marking out where you want your lace to lay. I am trying this that way I don't put it too over, put it too under where I want it to lay, because I have a tendency of doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and apply one layer and then I'm going to blow dry it. Make sure your layers are as thin as possible and make sure they are dry completely before you move on to the next one. Go ahead and apply that second layer. Make sure it's very thin. And blow dry to speed up the process just a little bit on cool. Lastly, you are going to apply your third layer and then make sure you blow dry, and then you'll be ready to lay it in place. I zoom up here for you so that you can see the process that I'm doing. After you lay it, you want to take a flat comb and just kind of comb it into that lace. Or sorry, into that glue. Can't even talk. Making sure it's secured as much as possible. After that, you're going to take a wrap and you're just going to wrap those edges there for a little bit. I let it sit for about 10 minutes and then I took it off and I'm going to sew the back. I love to sew my wigs down and glue the front. It makes me feel super secure. So you just do as you please. Some makeup on. Magic, I know. Anyway, now we are going to cut off that beautiful, beautiful HD lace. And we're going to create some baby hairs and get it popping. Now I struggle with the baby's hair part. The baby hair part, I don't know if it was just my hot comb wasn't as flat as, or sorry, as hot as I wanted it to be, or if I was just kind of rushing it before bed. I don't know. I have a tendency to rush my videos before I go to bed, so maybe I was just being a little impatient. I didn't do in this video that I did in the last previous one that I uploaded is I didn't flip my edges up, my baby hairs up a little bit. I just went in with the mousse and just kind of went at it. Different outcomes whenever you know, whichever way you're gonna lay those baby hairs, you get different outcomes. After I'm done, I just lay it down a bit, and then I am gonna pop on a new outfit. Boom, boom. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the final look. I really just rushed it and, you know, just did what I wanted, so. But this is the hair. So in the video, you already seen everything that came in the package. You already seen, so you already seen the lashes that came in there. So this is the one in the red box that was individual by itself. They are really big, even for me. So I had to, like, you know, kind of cat eye it. But yeah. So again, this is the 5x5 lace front HD lace, 22 inches body wave wig. I love it. I absolutely love it. Usually I don't go anything over 20. So this is pretty long. And it's cute. So y'all, as you see in the video, it really did not take much to make this wig come to life. Like, for real. Like, I really didn't need to do much of anything. And so I'm just super, super, super happy with the outcome. So don't wait, you guys. Go on and go order this wig. No, I'm not a sponsor. I bought this with my own coins. So that's all me. That's all me, baby. That's all me. So I'm telling you, go buy it because, yes. I can see the hair. As you can see, the hair is very, very, very flowy. Oh, one thing I forgot to throw in there. This is 200% density. Okay, 200%. So I did pay the extra for 200%. And I feel like it's more than the usual 150, 180, 120. This is 200. I haven't done to it other than, you know, the process that you've seen. That's it. Sorry, my nose is running. That is the process that you've seen. That is all that I did. There's nothing in this hair right now. So it's getting a little staticky since I am messing with it. But, I mean, yeah, how can you not when you get new hair? How can you not, like, mess with it? And it didn't come with a smell, so that was really good. No smell. So yes, you guys, that is it for my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.